Attribution heat maps allow users to get a much better view about the clicks, touches and hovers that take place on a website, and rather than map that data as dots on the page, we track the clickable elements and assign the data to them directly. This means that attribution heat maps work across dynamic websites that include drop-down menus. You can use them to identify the content on your website that drives the clicks, goals and success, the real value contributed by your content, and to get a clear and precise illustration of that data, position it more prominently and make the content better. To access attribution heat maps, first click the Heat Maps button on the main navigation bar at the left of the screen. Click the heat map type menu to see the different attribution heat maps that are available. Data options allow you to choose the type of heat map that you wish to view. For attribution heat maps, you can choose between clicks, touches and hovers, as well as the goals achieved per piece of content, and also the value of that content, providing it has first been configured in goals. Note that, just as with dot heat maps, to see touches for touch-enabled devices such as mobile phones or tablets, you first need to select this option from the Segments menu. The options below Key allow you to select whether or not you wish to show or hide both the ranked attribution table at the bottom of the heat map as well as the gradient key used within the heat map. When you're looking at an attribution heat map, scroll to the bottom to display the attribution table, which shows the breakdown on link engagements, including the total number of clicks per element, ordered by the most popular, along with the number of goals and any goal values assigned. Again, you can choose to ignore specific elements within the heat map. You can also choose to watch session replays for visitors who click specific elements. The element names are taken from the ID of the link or from a parent ID, but can be configured otherwise. In the heat map typed menu, Theme allows you to configure the attribution color. The color scale is automatically set to multicolor. When using this option, the closer to blue a piece of content is, then the less clicks it has received, and the closer to red, the more it has received. If you decide to use one color, then the less transparent a piece of content is, the more clicks it has received. Click Generate Heat Map. Each attribute has a number next to it displaying where it ranks in terms of the total number of clicks on a page, with number 1 representing the most clicked. Simply hover over the blocks in the report on the small square at the top right-hand corner of a piece of content to see the number of clicks, touches or hovers that it has received. You can also see the number of goals achieved for that piece of content and also any values of those goals. Click Show Visitors to see the session replays of users who clicked this piece of content. This will show you a list of all of the sessions where the visitor clicked on the relevant piece of content, and you can click the play button next to a relevant session to see the session replay for that visitor. You can also select to ignore clicked elements that are not of interest using the respective Ignore button. For instance, you might find that the login button on your page is the most clicked element, and so you may wish to ignore this in your analysis. The heat map is redrawn on the fly, excluding those clicks. You can take screenshots of and also export attribution heat maps. Simply click the Export menu to see the different options. Screenshots will download in a PNG format, and your heat map data can also be exported as a CSV or JSON file. For further information, please visit knowledgebase.decibelinsight.com.